At the age of 9, my rich dad started teaching me to be a rich man by playing the game Monopoly. So in 1994, my wife Kim and I decided, why don't we put onto a game board what my rich dad taught me so people can have fun learning. So this here is the cash flow game. There's actually 2 game boards. The first thing here you notice there's 2 tracks. This is called the fast track and this is called the rat race. And most people are trapped in the rat race. So if you follow the advice of go to school and get a safe, secure job and buy a house and have kids, you get stuck inside this rat race and you never get out. So the object of the cash flow game is to increase your financial IQ so you can get out of the rat race, to have more passive income so you don't have to work anymore, so your money's working hard for you. Then you get on the fast track. So to invest out here, number 1, you have to be rich, and number 2, you should be financially educated. The reason so many pro athletes and movie stars lose their money is they have the money, but they don't have the financial education, so they get taken by some of the biggest land sharks on planet Earth who operate out here. So if you're going to be out here, you need 2 things, money and education. So that's what this game board is designed to do, and it's to assist you to get out of the rat race and onto the fast track. So this is the first game board of the cash flow game, and now we'll go on to the second game board. And this you may recognize is a financial statement. This financial statement here, now don't get intimidated by it, but it's a very important aspect of your financial education. For example, is my banker has never asked me for my report card. So in the real world, outside of school, this is your report card. Your financial statement tells the banker how smart you are or do you need remedial education. So cash flow, the game was, it takes the most boring subject on earth, which is accounting, married with the most terrifying subject on earth, which is investing, and we put it together in a game. So now you've seen the second board game, which is a financial statement, and that part can be intimidating to some people. So the reason I love games and the reason I created the cash flow game is whether you did well in school or not, the more you play this game, the smarter you get. And the problem with my poor dad was he thought making mistakes was bad. Look, the only place that's bad is in school. In the real world, the person who makes the most mistakes and learns from it wins. I want you to make as many mistakes as you can. But I hear so many people say, well, I played the game once. I said, well, how do you learn anything once? You don't learn to be a great golfer playing once. You don't learn to drive just driving once. True education is about making mistakes, trying new things, and learning. So the beauty of the cash flow game is have fun. Make as many mistakes as you can. Take risks. It's only playing money. Have a good time. And that's how you get financially smarter. And that's what the game was designed to do. And that's what makes the Rich Dad Company different.